The UK government often updates its immigration rules to address changing political, economic, and social circumstances. For 2025, here are some of the expected changes and trends in UK immigration rules. Welcome back to my channel, Sara in Canada. I hope you're doing well. The UK government wants to make the visa process simpler. In 2025, the UK could move entirely to digital visas. This means you won't need to carry around physical documents. Instead, your visa will be stored online. You can access it from your phone or computer, making things much more convenient. Innovator visa. You must have an original business idea which is different from anything else on the market. You must give evidence of planning. That includes creating jobs and growing into national and international markets. Visa valid for 3 years to 5 years. The good thing is, your partner and children can also apply if they're eligible. If you want to stay longer, you must apply again with a new endorsement before your current visa expires. On the number of times you can extend. UK tax. Taxable income is what remains after deducting personal allowances from total income. The personal allowance for most people in the UK is £12,570, meaning that the first £12,570 of income is tax-free. The remaining income is then taxed according to the rates mentioned above. Indefinite leave to remain is an immigration status granted to people who have been living legally in the UK for a certain period. It allows them to stay in the UK without any time restrictions and gives them the right to work, study, and access public services. ILR is often a step towards applying for British citizenship. Legal and continuous residence. The applicant must have spent a continuous period of 10 years legally residing in the UK. This means that they must not have been absent from the UK for more than 540 days in total, for example more than 180 days, at any one time during the 10 years. To apply for ILR, you have to live in the UK for at least 5 years and have a clean criminal record, pass a life in the UK test, and meet English language requirements. You also need to show that you've been working or have enough money to support yourself. If you're already in the UK on a different type of visa, you might be able to apply to change to an Innovator Founder visa. And the most important thing, when you applying for the Innovator Founder visa or the Startup visa, you need to provide an endorsement letter from an approved endorsing body. This letter confirms that the endorsing body has assessed and approved your business idea. Documents for apply. A valid passport or other document that shows your identity and nationality. Bank statements showing at least £1,270 in savings account for 28 consecutive days before you apply. Student's visa. For the UK, there have been a few recent updates and key points about student visas. First, visa extension. Students can now extend their stay for further studies or post-study work. Financial requirements. Adjusted amounts needed to prove you can cover tuition and living costs. Third, post-study work rights. The graduate route allows up to 2 years, 3 years for PhD in the UK, after graduation to work or start a business. Fifth, simplified application. Easier process with quicker visa approvals. Sixth, English language. Broader range of accepted English tests and qualifications. First off, what is ETIAS? ETIAS stands for European Travel Information and Authorization System. It's a new system that will be introduced for visa-free travel to the Schengen area. You can travel to more than one country in a 180-day period. How long you can stay in each country depends on whether or not it's in the Schengen area. ETIAS authorization is valid for up to 3 years, or until the passport expires, whichever comes first. Fee. Pay a fee, usually around €7 as part of the application. Complete the ETIAS application online via the official ETIAS website and provide personal details, travel information, and passport information. Processing time. Most applications are processed quickly. Thanks so much for sticking around until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button.